We are SysQuick Console Repair Store, your premier Baltimore area game console, phone, and tablet repair professionals. SysQuick is locally owned and operated with experienced technicians that will help solve even the smallest of problems. SysQuick takes pride in fixing PlayStations, Xboxes, Wiis, and other game systems. Every day we replace broken HDMI ports, fix read errors, and power issues. We also fix PlayStation, Xbox, and Wii game controllers. SysQuick Console Repair Store sells refurbished game systems and controllers. Our repair specialists fix Apple iPads and iPhones, Samsung phones and tablets, and devices from other leading manufacturers. SysQuick also repairs game discs, Blu-rays, DVDs, and CDs. Get back in the game with SysQuick Console Repair Store. Visit us online to learn more about our services or give the experts at SysQuick a call today.